Alright, welcome back. So in the last video, we looked at the heading elements and we saw the H1, H2 down to H6. Now in this video, we're looking at the paragraph element. We call it the P tag. The paragraph element, the P tag. So I'm just going to move this the H2 down to H6. We don't need that for now. So we're going to add a now let me show you something. Okay. Let's assume I just type some things here. Okay, I just typed some random words, which I'm still going to show you anyway. We call it dummy text, lorem ipsum. It's generated from my VS Code automatically. So let me just save this. Now I refresh. Everything is here. Okay, so I'm going to add more of it. Let me see. Lorem times 5. I save. I refresh my page. Can you see? Now the first lorem ended, I don't know, somewhere in the middle, and then it continued and continued. But let's say, for instance, I wanted maybe this Poro, whatever language this is, I needed it to start in the next line, like a normal paragraph in your normal essay writing or letter writing. So what happens if I locate it here and try to, type, just like in Microsoft Word, where you just hit the enter key? Let me see if I could locate that particular word. Okay, this is it now. So in your Microsoft Word, probably, if you type enter, this is already a paragraph. I can even give it double space. I save, and then let me go and refresh. Can you see that nothing happens? Everything you write gets chunked up. So that is where the P tag comes in. It is used to create paragraphs. Now what we do is, okay, I'm just going to copy this particular one. I'm going to copy it, or rather cut it out. And then I first of all open a paragraph tag. That is a P tag. Can you see it closes by itself? And then I paste whatever I want inside. Now I'm going to save that. You can see that every of them is inside the paragraph, the opening and the closing tag. Every of the content inside it. Let me bring this down. Enter. Every of the content is nested inside the P tag. At this point, I save and look at what happens. Can you see that we got a paragraph for real now? So naturally, you don't just write text in HTML, or you don't just write text, you wrap them inside a tag. So typing this initial lorem, typing it just like that is actually wrong. I'm going to cut it and we're going to put it properly inside another P tag. So I open and I paste. So I save. Now refreshing my page. It's nothing. It's properly wrapped inside the paragraph, and the other one is wrapped inside the paragraph. So that is what the paragraph tag is, and that's how it can be used. You can, wrap things inside to separate them, make it look like a real paragraph. Now I'm going to do one more just to show us what I did initially. Sorry. Another paragraph. This paragraph, I did a dummy text initially, and the dummy text, you might be wondering where I got it from. You can probably type anything. Maybe, for instance, in your own site, you want to write, this is the job finding page. In this site, you can, just normal text that you find on pages that talks about what the site is about. And you probably can decide to put something more tangible than what I put here. This is a dummy text. It doesn't mean anything. I don't know if it means something, but I don't know what language this is. Latin, maybe. So you can probably try to put something on you from your own hand. You can put something relevant, something meaningful to whatever you are building, so to say. So I'm going to add another paragraph, and this I did before. You just type, if you are using VS Code, this is there. Can you see when I type LO, it brings out LOREM. If I click on it, it pops out the whole of that thing. I save, and then I find another paragraph. Can you see? Now, provincial, I want more of it because maybe I want to, like, with initially it was not much, so I had to type it again. So now, peradventure, you want more of it. Maybe you want it to fill a particular column, and you don't have, particular words to type. You just want some words to fill it. I could have more than one, and that's what I did in the second time. So I'm going to have another paragraph again. I'm going to have another paragraph again, and this time when you type lorem, remember, if I eat this, it will bring only one, but I can add times how many of it I want. So my times here in my own Windows laptop here is Shift 8. That's multiply. By how many of that text do you want? You can have as many as 10, and you press enter. Can you see it automatically generates all of that? So we'll save and see our last paragraph. Can you see? All right, so in this video, I believe you understand what the paragraph element or the p tag is and how it can be used. See, in the next video, we'll be talking about the bold tag and the italics tag. See you in the next video.